Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money with TikTok. So this is going to be a TikTok affiliate marketing tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the entire step, the entire process, and I also going to share with you a couple of real case study how people are currently crushing it on TikTok by utilizing affiliate marketing business. Okay, so as you can tell, TikTok is very trending right now. So this is a TikTok account. So if you haven't signed up already, I would like to invite you to sign up, and the sign up process is very easy. This is similar to other social media platforms. It is 100% free. There's no investment needed or whatsoever. So one of the reasons why, by the way, TikTok currently is actually the fastest growing social media platform. So compared to Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, this is by far the largest and the fastest growing social platform. Okay, so one of the reasons why is because in order to create content on TikTok is very easy. Okay, most of the TikTok is only require you to create 60-second video long. So because of that, is very trending because it is simplicity. It is very simple and easy. So many people, including you and me, can actually crushing it on TikTok. But the thing is, you need to know how to leverage this very platform, which is I'm about to reveal to you just a second. So bear in mind and stick with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to reveal to you everything. And I also, as I told you, I'm also going to share with you a couple of real case study how people are crushing it on TikTok right now. Okay, so this is TikTok. So before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you just came across to this video. My name is Adi Mustafa. So in this video, I share a lot about how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, the easiest way on how to make money online by far, and also anything that related to online marketing in general. So consider subscribing if you haven't yet already, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, and be sure to smash the like button as well if you could find some value throughout my sharing in this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right into our content. So let's take a look at this account over here. So woodworking fun. Okay, so this method requires you two steps, which is the traffic, which is we're going to be utilizing TikTok, how to get the traffic, and you need to have an offer. Okay, so it is completely okay if you have your offer and you have some sort of product. You can actually sell your product, but if you don't want to create a product, you don't have to. And this is also a tutorial that in order to crushing in TikTok, you are not necessarily need to show your face. Okay, I'm going to show with you how to actually crushing it on TikTok without showing your face. So just take a look at this video. So by the way, if you haven't create any product, and if you don't have any product, I also going to share with you how to crushing it on TikTok with affiliate offer. Okay, so something that people are looking for, something that you can attach with your TikTok account. Okay, so this is the woodworking fun. So as you can see, it has 50K followers. So take a look at each and every one of this video. So 2000 views, 2000 views, 3000 views, and what it does is they shared a lot of hack or a lot of woodworking tips. Okay, so if you take a look at this link over here, if I click on this link, it's going to redirect to the affiliate product. Okay, so open anyway. So we're going to take a look at the product or the affiliate offer that this account is actually promoting. So that's woodworking. This is actually one of the product from clickbank.com. Okay, so the world's largest collection of 16,000 working plans. So this is actually the working plans or the tutorial product. Okay, it is a digital product whereby people who are interested to learn more about woodworking, they can get this product and they can learn. There are so many plans, tutorial plans, I mean woodworking plans that they can have in this product. Okay, so just take a look at this product. So this is very powerful product. For those of you who are interested in woodworking, you might be interested to purchase this product as well. So 24,000 certified customers, 60,000 total of plans. Okay, just take a look at the price over here. Take a look at the price, $67 per unit. Okay, so for your information, this is the product from clickbank. All right, so let's take a look at the clickbank. Go ahead to clickbank. So if I were type in like that's woodworking, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to find the chat woodworking product over here. This is the product, the exact same product that I just showed you before. Okay, 67. This one is 63. Okay, so approximately around that range. So the best part is you're going to be able to make like 70% out of this product, out of this price, because that is the percentage of the commission that most people are going to get when you are promoting one of the product from clickbank. Okay, so that is the best part. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead to clickbank.com and get register. It is 100% free. There's no investment needed. It's 100% free. By far, clickbank is actually one of the largest affiliate marketplace on earth where you can make ton of money. So that is exactly what this guy do over here. So they producing, or they create a lot of content. You don't have to create your own content, because if you stick around until the end, I also going to share with you where you need to find this content, where you can actually get this type of content, a short period of time of content, and then post on your TikTok account and then make a lot of money with it. Okay, so this is one example, and we have another one over here. This is a dog, right? So as you can see, this dog has 1.6 million of followers. So as you can see, take a look at each and every one of the videos. 100k, 300,000 views, 300,000 views, almost 400 views, guys. So this is insane amount of views. So 400 views, almost half a million, 1.6 million of views. Can you imagine if only 1%, or at least 0.5% out of 1.6 million of views purchase with a product that you sell, you're going to make a lot of money. And that is considered only from one videos. Okay, can you imagine if each and every one of this video can convert you maybe 0.3, 0.2%, you're going to be able to make a lot of money. So just take a look at what type of product that this account are selling right now. Okay, so if I click on that one, so it's going to let us to this website. So this is actually, I'm not sure whether this is affiliate product, but I think this is a normal e-commerce store whereby they're going to sell this type of ring. You can see this is dog ring. This is all dog rings over here. They have elephant wrap rings. So most of the product are related to the dog. Okay, personalized pet photos and etc, etc. So for those of you who are interested in dog, you may be interested to purchase this one as well, right? So this is a very, very cute item over here. Okay, so this is different from this one. This is actually e-commerce whereby they are selling the physical product. You can also get it from AliExpress, for example, from eBay, from Taobao, right? So that is all the supplier from this type of product. Okay, you can do it as a drop shipper. Okay, but this is slightly difficult because you're gonna need to build your website, you're gonna need to do the fulfillment and whatsoever, because the one that I highly recommend you is clickbank, right? So this is a no-brainer. This is very, very easy. You just need to drive as much traffic as possible to your affiliate offer, to click your affiliate link, and then once people purchase throughout your affiliate link, you're going to be able to make a percentage of the commission. Okay, so that is the best way on how to do it. But if you are someone who already have your own product, you can also do it this method as well. So if you don't want to do this, if you are interested to promoting dog niche, clickbank.com also has a dog niche. Okay, so what you need to do is just go to these categories here. As you can see, there's so many different categories available. What you need to do, if you were promoting dog related product, you can go to a green product, health, I think home and garden, underneath of home and garden and animal care and pets, right? So you simply click on animal care and pets. You're going to be able to see a lot of product that are related to dog, right? So this one is brain training for dogs, and doggy dance, online dog training, cat spray, this is related to cat, secret to dog training, and etc, etc. And as you can see here, every single sale that you can make, you will get paid $31 out of commission, right? So this one even higher, almost $80 every single purchase. What you need to do is literally drive tons of traffic to this offer, to this affiliate link, to your affiliate link, and then when people click and purchase, you're going to be able to make money out of it. Okay, so It is that simple. Okay, so now we have a traffic source, which is TikTok. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you, I'm going to reveal to where you can get all this type of videos. So it is very, very simple. For example, if you were someone interested to promote the affiliate product from dog niche, what you need to do is just type in like dog, okay, dog training, and click enter. And then what you need to do is you need to filter these videos. Okay, so because you cannot simply download other people's video because that is illegal, what you need to do instead is you need to sort it by Creative Commons. Okay, so you go to filter, click on the filter, and then go to the Creative Commons over here. And then what it does is you're going to be able to see a lot of videos with the Creative Commons license. Okay, this is all the Creative Commons. As you can see, the logo CC here means that this video is Creative Commons video. For example, if I take a look at this one video over here, and then let's take a look at the license underneath of this video. Most of the time you're going to be able to see the license on the below of the description. Okay, so I'm going to, I'm sorry, my internet connection is pretty slow right now. So I'm going to see more, show more over here, and then scroll down. You're going to be able to see the Creative Commons license. Okay, let's take a look just to double check. Okay, Creative Commons license, attribute license, reuse allowed. This license is provided by YouTube itself. Okay, so you don't have to worry to get copyright strike or whatsoever, because
you created a business.
Sorry,
now create videos.
You don't have to worry to get the copyright strike from YouTube because this is Creative Commons license, so you can reuse it with the license. Okay, so what you need to do is simply download this video. For example, let's take a look at this video first. So this is the video,
and instead he's sniffing, looking at other dogs or whatever he's doing. It's going to be very difficult. So we have to make sure.
So what you can do next is you can download this video. So in order to download this video, you can simply go to Google and type in YouTube video downloader, right? So simply copy the entire URL from this video, and then you can paste it here, and then simply click download over here, right? So once it download, you can chop it down, because as you can tell, the longest video on TikTok is only 60 seconds. So you need to chop it down into a couple of videos. Maybe you can get like 5-6 videos, because I'm pretty sure there are so many tips, like couple of tips in between this video, so you can chop it down so that you can have a couple of videos from one long videos. Okay, so you can use your window movie maker, or you can use your iMovie if you are using Apple, right? So there is another software called OpenShot. What you need to do is just type in openshot.org. You can download this video. This software. This is 100% free software. There's no investment needed. You don't have to pay anything. So once you download, you can actually edit your video as well, right? So chop it down into a couple of second videos. The most viral videos on TikTok is only 15 to 20 seconds of videos, all right? So you might want to consider that range of duration in order to crushing it on TikTok. Okay, so that's number one. We have a video. So once you download the videos, what you need to do is you need to grab your affiliate link. So how to do it? Just choose whatever product you want. For example, like this one, I'm going to click promote, and then what you can do next is simply generate home links, and then copy this one and then paste on your TikTok account. All right, so you can provide in your videos, right? So you can use the overlay text, or you can also put it on your bio as well. Okay, so if you were get directly from clickbank, your link going to be a little bit longer, right? So for example, like if I were paste it here, you can see this is a very long clickbank URL. So what you need to do next is you can go to bit.ly. So this is actually a shortener. This is actually a shortener link URL. So you can create your link, click create, and paste your long URL here, and simply click create. So what it does, this is actually your copy, your link, very short and very interesting comparing to the previous one, right? So what you need to do is copy so that you can paste it right on your TikTok bio. Okay, like this one over here. So As simple as that, right, guys? So now you have your affiliate traffic. So you have your product. So what you need to do is you need to post a lot of videos, as many videos as possible. So in order to get the videos, you can go to YouTube, and before I forget, there's another one which is Pexel. You can also go to pexel.com. So this is actually free footage where you can simply get a lot of high quality footage from this platform, and you can leverage it for your TikTok as well. Okay, so you can also click on videos, because you can also get photos and videos. Simply click on videos and check their orientation. So be sure to vertical, because most of the videos on TikTok are vertical. Okay, so these are videos that are available. Okay, you can find you can download this one, because you can see that the dog is really behave. They can follow the instruction of its owner. So you can also choose this one, for example, then simply click download. It is 100% free, and re-upload it back on your TikTok account. Okay, so guys, I hope you got some value throughout this sharing. So that is how you can make money with TikTok with affiliate marketing. So I hope you got some value, and don't forget to try it out. It's very easy. TikTok is something huge, so you don't want to miss this opportunity. This is free, and you can actually blow your account out very fast if you know how to do it. And don't forget to learn how to monetize your TikTok account. Okay, it's actually by promoting affiliate offer. That is the best way and the easiest way on how to crushing it on TikTok. Okay guys, so I hope you get some value throughout my sharing, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and online marketing in general. And I consistently upload every single week, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I upload my new video. So I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.